Hey guys, in this video, I am going to be unboxing and smelling KKW Fragrances Body number 2 and Body number 3 for the very first time. I already have the KKW Body 1, and 2 and 3 are basically the exact same bottle, so there's not really like any sort of surprise there. Black Friday happened, and they were on sale, and I was just like, I need them! It was like instinct. It was like I didn't even think, and I just ordered them and they arrived today, and so I'm going to unbox them, I'm going to smell them, I'm really excited. Apparently number 3 is unisex. First up is KKW Body number 2. Basically an identical box that the original body came in. If you want 20% off your KKW fragrance, then use the code KKW Body 20, honey. Not honey. KKW Body 20, and you'll get 20% off your order. Let's just unravel this bad boy. If you guys haven't watched my KKW Body 1 unboxing, link is in the description. I go really in with the packaging, so I'm just gonna kind of speed through this just to get to the perfume. And if you wanted to see it in more detail, then you can see the other video. Okay, hallelujah. Oh, I didn't do it right. Yay! It was supposed to magically and dramatically flop out at all 4 sides. Ooh, so I think this bottle is kind of see-through. It's like a translucent bottle that you can see the liquid through the body. Ooh, that's cool. So before I smell KKW Body 2 for the first time, I'm going to read the description of the product on kkwfragrance.com. So, it is sparkling, beachy, floral. Groundbreaking for winter. It actually is groundbreaking for winter. So this is kind of like a summery scent for the middle of this cold, blistering winter time. The addictive blend opens with a sparkle of bergamot, mandarin, and neroli. The sunny trio is splashed in fresh coconut water, transporting you straight to the beach. At the heart, solar florals lend their velvety texture. Sensual jasmine well, honey, look at the bottle. This is a flirt, honey. Flirts with exotic ylang ylang and manoi flower. Kissed by the luminous glow of orange blossom. Like bare skin drenched in sunlight. Honey, her skin is getting drenched in this ring light. It is the same thing. Warm ambrette seed and rich musk offer a serious dose of sensuality. I have no idea what any of this is supposed to smell like. Paired with creamy coconut milk, the result is an indulgent signature that wraps your skin in golden warmth. What does golden warmth smell like? Top notes: bergamot, mandarin, fresh coconut water, neroli. Middle scents are solar orange blossom, jasmine abs. Jasmine abs? Like from Aladdin? The princess? Her abs? Okay. Ylang ylang and manoi? Great. And the base is a creamy coconut milk, warm ambrette seed, and musk. Okay, honey. So honey, what I've gathered is I'm gonna smell like Princess Jasmine from Aladdin's abs after I smell this, and I'm into it. Okay, oh, I'm excited. I hope it's major. I hope it's major. Ooh, oh, I smell the warmth. Ooh, I smell the coconut. Okay, this is like twisting. I smell the mandarin. It is fruity now. I'm so relieved. This is so pretty, but dark. It's musk. It's coconut for sure. It's tropical. I smell orange, mandarin. I smell a darker moment, but I also it smells kind of smoky almost. Very, very rich. It smells creamy. It smells like coconut milk, orange, mandarin. It smells like very coconutty, very velvety. It smells almost like a really nice body lotion, almost, like very luxurious. Honey, this is the coconut fragrance. If you are a fan of coconut, I am impressed. I love it. I really love it.
I love it.
Okay, last but not least, slash just the second and last bottle that I'm spraying. Honey, it is KKW Body 3, and to be honest, this is the one I am the most excited for because it is labeled unisex. I mean, obviously all these fragrances I've been wearing, anything is unisex in my mind. It doesn't matter who it's meant for, but the fact that she has labeled this as unisex leads me to believe it's gonna be a darker fragrance, maybe smokier, maybe some more musk, I'm not sure. What I liked about KKW Body too is that I really got the musk. It was a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. Very coconut, but not like sweet coconut. It was like almost a darker coconut, if that makes any sense, even though dark doesn't have a smell, but it was like a less sweetened version of coconut. So I'm excited to smell KKW 3. Let's unbox it, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever friend is watching. And let's give it a go, Joe. Okay, same old story. Hallelujah! Okay, sample of the KKW Body 2, which I just smelled. And honey, again, KKW Body 20 for 20% off your next purchase, honey child. And girl, there is no expiration here. So, you know, give it a go. Okay, oh, let me do this right this time, okay? Rewind the tape. Let's do it right.
Loosen up the ropes, darling.
Okay, are you ready? Oh, fuck. Okay, you get the point. It was all supposed to come out together. Ooh, girl, this is like a cute, kind of like eggshell, blue-gray, very muted. I'm living. Also, like you can see through it. Very cool. I love how these two, you can see the liquid inside. Anyway, this is like the alien body. This is the Mystique body, but not as dark, but you know, you get my point. Okay, I am so excited, you guys. KKW Body 3. It is modern, woody floral, borrowed from Bae, but better on her. Oh, bitch! So I guess Kanye might have worn this. He definitely has not worn this. He probably has worn this. Oh, there's some scratches on the bum. The fragrance opens with pink and black pepper. Ooh. What does pink pepper smell like again? Okay. Creating a dynamic freshness, blending the best of both worlds. Amping the freshness up another level. Juniper, berry, and aromatic lavender intertwine. A heart of mysterious incense is laced with rich orris butter and crisp violet leaves for the ultimate signature honey. It must smell like butter? Crisp violet leaves? Okay, from the back. Check it from the back, honey. A silky smooth dry down layers creamy sandalwood, luxe cedarwood, and vetiver. A wink of vanilla lends a creamy hook, contrasting the layers of dimension with a kiss of sweetness. Honey, whoever writes this, does North write this? They deserve a frickin' Nobel Peace Prize or a frickin', what is that literary award? Gonna spray it on my opposite wrist. KKW Body 3. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hello. Oh my, I'm hot. I'm getting hot. Is it hot in here? Is it just me? Oh my God. Oh, this is the winner. Can I go home? I'm home. This is the winner. Oh, this is good. I get the vanilla. I get the woods. I'm like skipping through a vanilla woods. I'm getting berry, whatever the juniper berry. I'm thinking I smell the berry. I'm getting the spicy ass pepper. This is amazing. I love vanilla. So the fact that this smells like vanilla makes me so happy. It's not like the typical sweet vanilla, which is kind of the same thing that's going on with the coconut in KKW Body too. The vanilla in this is darker. It's not as sweet. It's a little bit more subdued. I definitely get like a spicy scent. Like I get the pepper. It's so multi-dimensional though. Like there's times where I smell and it's like definitely vanilla. Then there are other times where it seems like I'm smelling something really woodsy, like almost like fire, like a wood burning. I kind of smelled like what I thought smelled to be like berries or like raspberry or something sweet. Like I definitely got the sweet note mixed in with the more woodsy tones, and it's like, honey, it is all about KKW Body 3. It is all about number 3. Oh, so yummy, so mysterious. Like, oh, this is a very sweet masculine scent, very mysterious. I smelled a lot of vanilla fragrances in my life. This is the most unique. I know vanilla isn't a top note or anything, like vanilla tincture or purr is a base. But man, I smell it like right off the bat. It says a wink of vanilla. No, honey, this is a full-blown open mouth kiss of vanilla, okay? I am really pleasantly surprised by KKW Body 2, and I am living, I am dead, I am reborn, I am deceased over KKW Body 3. Vibes was my number 1 out of the entire KKW fragrance collection. So out of every collection she's released, Vibes was my number 1. This is a close second. Hasn't snatched Vibes' crown yet. But on first impression, it is a close ass second. If you've tried any of the KKW fragrances, honey, let me know what your favorite is. Doesn't matter what collection. Just sound off with your thoughts on your fave fragrances. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, including some more fragrance unboxings in the future, then subscribe to my channel. If you turn on the bell icon, you'll be notified every single time I upload. And if you want to follow me on social media, my username is @NadiWeb across all platforms. And my new Facebook page is facebook.com/NadiWebYouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, mwah, bye!